y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for clicking on this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today I decided to try these duck clips on the ends of my hair for an elongated twist out. I actually got this idea from Hazel Goddess and I'll have her link down below, but I really liked how hers came out, so I just wanted to try it on my own hair. So for this twist out, I'm going to be using my Uncle Funky's Daughter products, and for those who don't know, I am an ambassador for them, so you can use my discount code to get 15% off any of their products. So my hair has already been washed with my Bye Bye Build Up Cleansing Conditioner, and now I'm just going to go in and section my hair into 4 sections. So starting in this back section, I'm just going to apply a little bit of water since my hair did get a bit dry. And after that, I'm just applying my Uncle Funky's Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream. And I really love this product. I already reviewed it in my wash and go tutorial along with the other Uncle Funky's products I use. So that'll be linked down below as well. So I'm just smoothing this product through the entire section so that my hair will have a lot of moisture and shine. So now I'm just splitting my hair into smaller sections and I'm going in with my Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. This is a really nice gel and it's going to give my twist out some amazing definition. So now that all the products have been applied, I'm just going to go in and do regular 2-strand twists. After I'm done twisting, I twirl my ends and then I place the duck clip on the ends of my hair, not the very ends, but close to the ends. So I wanted to show you guys what it would look like if I left one of my twists without a duck clip on the end and one with the duck clip on the end. And as you can see, the elongation is real. The other twist wasn't even dry and it's still way shorter than the twist with the duck clip. So this is what my hair looks like with all of the clips in. I could definitely tell that my hair was being weighed down. So I was really excited to see how the results looked. I ended up with a total of 12 twists. So I let these dry overnight and I was wondering if these were going to be uncomfortable to sleep in, but it was really fine. These also did not leave any dents or anything in my hair, which I was really happy about. Now I'm just going in and carefully unraveling each twist and I did get some amazing definition, and my hair looks really, really elongated. Now I'm just going in and separating and fluffing my hair. So this is the final result, and I really, really love the way my hair looks. It's definitely a lot longer than my twist outs normally are, which was the goal, and I just really am happy with the way it looks. So thank y'all so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that it was helpful. Let me know if you end up trying these duck clips on your own hair, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!